Looking for a powerful drone with 4K 8K cameras, smooth gimbal stabilization without spending thousands? Stay tuned, because today I'm breaking down the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2025 that deliver high performance at budget-friendly prices. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 best AliExpress drones of 2025, all equipped with 4K 8K cameras, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors perfect for beginners and pros alike. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. SJRC KF100 Drone. This drone packs an 8K professional dual camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and a 3-axis gimbal for rock-steady footage. The touchscreen remote adds premium control. Reviews? Buyers love its stable flights and say the video quality feels like a professional setup. Pros? Dual 8K cameras, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, touchscreen remote, brushless motors for durability. Number 2. AE3 PRO Max Plus Drone. This drone is all about pro-level filming with 8K dual cameras, a 3-axis gimbal, and built-in obstacle avoidance for safe flying. Reviews? Users call it a great alternative to high-end brands, praising its flight stability and obstacle sensors. Pros? 8K ultra-clear video, 3-axis gimbal for smooth shots, obstacle avoidance system, 5G Wi-Fi for strong signal. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE Drone. Weighing under 249 grams, this compact drone is FAA-friendly and travel-ready. It comes with GPS auto-return, a single-axis gimbal with AE stabilization, and a 4 km flight range. Reviews? Travelers say it's lightweight yet powerful, making it a perfect drone for beginners and on-the-go creators. Pros? Under 249 grams, no registration needed in the US. GPS with auto-return. 4 km flight distance. Electronic image stabilization, ACE. Number 4. SX1 Max GPS Drone. Featuring a 4K professional camera, 3-axis gimbal, and a large screen remote control, this foldable drone is built for aerial FPV enthusiasts. Reviews? Users highlight its easy setup and clear image quality, especially for outdoor flights. Pros? 4K stabilized video, foldable, portable design, 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage, large screen remote included. Number 5. X40 PRO GPS Drone. A true powerhouse, the X40 PRO delivers 8K aerial photography, 3-axis gimbal, obstacle avoidance, and even fishing features. Yes, it's designed to carry payloads for unique uses. Reviews? Customers call it a feature-packed beast that rivals much pricier drones. Pros? 8K high-resolution camera, 3-axis gimbal for pro shots, obstacle avoidance sensors, fishing payload capability. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And there you have it, the top 5 best AliExpress drones of 2025. If you want professional 8K aerial shots, the SJRC KF100 Max or AE3 PRO Max Plus are excellent picks. For travelers and beginners, the Potensic Atom SE is the perfect lightweight option. And if you're looking for a feature-loaded beast with fishing capability, the X40 PRO has you covered. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.